and the partnership of our county governments, this exercise would have been very difficult. And again, my good friends, the governors and the counties, I want to request you to stand up so that we can do a round of applause to all our counties. Tuwapigie makofi jameni. Thank you very much. You can take your seats. You were not so much interested in where the national government functions and the county government functions stopped or began. Collectively, we were interested in the health of the people of Kenya. And that is why this partnership has given us this result. This is the partnership and the cooperation between our two levels of government that our Constitution envisaged. In our midst, we have also our members of parliament, who I very sincerely thank for debating and shaping and passing the laws that underpin this reform process, as was ably enumerated